Welcome to dear friend of me, Vivo V23, and I'll show you all the box accessories with which our device comes. So first, the first thing that was our Vivo device. In our case, this is in the just green color, the sunshine gold. Yes, a really great color here, I think. Also, we got here the warranty card, the quick start guides, the safety cards here, the stickers with the IMEI codes and the serial number codes. Also, we got here the clear protective silicone case. And the next thing is the original Vivo charger brick with all of the specs here. Also, we got the SIM jack tool and like the heart here. And also here we got the 3.5mm headphones adapter. Also here we got these headphones, so you can use them with your device together. And also we got here the USB-C cable in white color also. So that's it. There are all of the box accessories with which our device comes. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.